Hi! In front of me is SONY Xperia 10V, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by opening Messages app and tapping on one of your chats. When you're ready, click on this icon with a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner. Then you can click on your photos right away to add them. Tap on Gallery section, select them from here, and tap on Add at the top right corner. Or click on Gallery, select Folders, hold one of your pictures over here, and tap on Select at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my pictures were successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!